beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star Flames, and in this video we will be talking about judge telling Kanye West lawyer Greenberg Trorig to try harder to reach him based on an article that was sent to me by one of my subscribers. No, this article is pretty interesting, and I'm happy that the legal system is not being corrupt when it comes to Ye West, and the legal system is saying to these lawyers, no, you do not have permission to use newspaper ads to cut ties with Ye West as his lawyer. You need to try harder. Do you guys remember when I said to you that the lawyers cannot cut ties with him via newspaper ad? They would have to go back in court in front of a judge, ask the judge to be dismissed as his lawyer, and then depending on what section of the law classifies them or grants them that wish, then the lawyer would say, you know what, you have the go ahead to cut ties with him as his lawyer. But now District Judge Annalise is saying the his lawyers need to try harder. So based on the article, it says U.S. District Judge Annalise Torres rejected the firm's argument that they had done their best to serve West, known as Ye, and should be allowed to try alternative means like newspaper adverts to reach him. Torres said in a court filing on Tuesday, the firm's attempt do not indicate diligent effort at attempting to locate Ye, and it had not shown serving the papers through normal means was impracticable. So they're saying, so the judge is saying, serving notice through newspapers mean in this case it's not something that you would do. You need to locate this man personally, and it's not impossible for you to locate him. And I definitely support Judge Annalise Torres on this, because guess what? We've seen where the paparazzi have found him. And if the paparazzi have found him, lawyers, they know how to find people. They know how to breach your private and sensitive information and spill your private details to their friends. So in this case, they know exactly what to do if they want to get in touch with Ye West. But they're being lazy, and they're working with a group of people. We know who. We don't have to call their names, who hates Ye West. So they're trying to put shame and disdain on this man's name. And even 50 Cent, the moment that article came out, 50 Cent was like, these lawyers cannot be for real. I mean, you don't even want his money. You don't have to like someone as their lawyer, but if you're getting paid, what the heck is your problem? Your problem is that, their problem is that group of people, that community that Ye West spoke about. Let me tell you something. They're still going after this man, even though this man is just minding his own business, is not bothering anyone, and is not messing with anyone. But thank God for people on YouTube, Twitter, who have been exposing their asses and their attempts to consistently discredit Ye for his hard work, for going about minding his business. People are exposing their intentions of still plotting attacks against Ye West. And as such, I believe that they were behind that entire thing about the lawyers cutting ties with him via news article. And do you remember, guys? Let's talk about this. I know this video is a bit over the place, but there's so much to say because the media has lied so much. Do you guys remember the article said that the court cases could be a default ruling where Ye West loses the case? Do you guys remember that? And I say that is not true. He cannot lose a case for not showing up in court, because he has to be given the opportunity to defend himself. By law, he is entitled to be given enough time to appear in court and defend himself, whether he's going to do so himself or use a defense attorney to defend himself. Do you guys see what I'm talking about now? And people read these articles and believe every trash that they put out in the public. If you cannot trust the article anymore, I mean, what's the sense of reading them? They are providing nothing but fallacies and false hope to people, and it goes to show the level of corruption that exists in America. But guys, this is where you guys come in. It's your time to talk because I want to know if you guys remember when I said all of those things. And when people want to tell me about, oh my God, you're not a US citizen, so you're not familiar with the law. I mean, I do read. I agree that I'm not a citizen, but I read and I read really well. And when it comes to the legal system, let me tell you something, baby. I've always wanted to be a lawyer. So when it comes to the legal system and the books and the laws, let me tell you something. I'm only a baby bar away from becoming a official lawyer, baby bar, and then the real deal, if you know what I mean. So listen, don't discredit my intelligence. Don't insult my intelligence. Your girl knows exactly what she's talking about. But anyway, guys, enough of my blobbing. I want to hear from you. Let me know what your thoughts are. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up. Share if you care. And remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, like, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. You keep coming back to watch. So why not go ahead, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thanks for your time. Stay safe, stay sweet, stay blessed. See you all next time. Bye, guys.